Marcos Coilan. Uy, because okay. Take this ring. Sa may English ano eh.
Grabe si ate oh, na problema pa sa English.
Bisaya. Suotan ni ang singsing sign sa akong pagka may gugmao na asawa. I love you, babe. Di man masud. Judge. Di ba lagi sakto? Love you. Oh, wala pa rin. Huy!
Now, parents, pronounce you Marcus and Kuntisa, husband and wife.
Thank you. Judge, why kiss?
Kadiot.
Oh, wala pa rin.
In the count of 3, let's all witness. In 1, 2, and 3, you may now kiss your bride.